As you can see, this kitchen is sparkling clean. The cat's even lying on the floor, must probably think it's clean enough after he did an inspection in the cupboards. There, I cleaned the security gates, I've cleaned all the light switches, I've cleaned all the fans, I've cleaned the oven, I cleaned from bottom to top. Okay, and I even cleaned in my pantry, and I've tidied that because this was not very neat before. Now was the time to clean it. Okay, and there it is. Everything is back in place. And if you wonder what dishwasher is doing there, all my cleaning agents is there. I can go to the other side of my pantry. I've got an old fridge which I cut open, which I use as storage space. And now I'm ready in this kitchen to bake again.